7:30 in the morning. I had some decent action yesterday, which brought on today. Came back out here to see if we could get the same outcome. No results came from yesterday, but man, they're out here and they're active. Some good trail camera footage. Actually, some really good footage. A lot of bucks, a couple different bucks, 3 of them actually, between November 1st and yesterday, and like 2 or 3 does too. So out here again, trying to make it happen. Stick around. It's cold. Give you guys a little layout of exactly where I hunt. The previous video I mentioned and took you guys on that field trip to that fence line where you can clearly see him coming in and out, hopping that fence, the 2 spots over there. Well, this right here is base camp. You come down here. Tree right there, that is that fence line. That's how close they are to me coming in and out of here. Now if you walk up through here, again, boom, bucket. That spot too I went and sat at for a little bit. Straight through those trees, you can see the path almost that deer have cut through here before. So going down there, it just puts me even closer to the heavy traffic area. Man, to come back out here and just see him coming through there would be nice. Alright, recap on the day. Really nothing to report, no action whatsoever as far as deer go, but man, this wind, jeez. Been kicking like a Bruce Lee movie all damn day. Cold one today. I think that might be why there wasn't any action as far as the deer moving around. It was real windy out here today. And then the time change, that got the best of me. You know, who would have thought you push the clocks back an hour and the sun comes up an hour earlier than the day before. But it happens. So Yeah, that's it though. Nothing to report. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. See you.